Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another day of science. Today we're going to do something really cool. So we have a friend named Robbie, and Robbie is going to be showing us an experiment today using the states of matter. So today our daily objective is students will be able to explore the different changes in matter. So, Robbie is going to help us explore the changes of matter, specifically gases. So, he's going to first talk about the states of matter. We've been talking about solids, liquids, and gases pretty much all week. But at the end of this video, he's going to do a science experiment. And I encourage all of you to go ahead and do it with him. If you have the materials at home, you should definitely do this science experiment at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now what you will need for this science experiment. So you will need vinegar, baking soda, a balloon, a bottle, a clear bottle, or any type of bottle that you can put a balloon on top, and a funnel. He's going to also list the picture of the things that you will need inside of the video. So feel free, if you don't have the ingredients now, you can always come back to the video and do the experiment with him. But it's super cool, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. Bye.